Hi, I created a few videos showing you how to recreate an Amy Porterfield page in Kajabi a couple months ago, and then I got a comment asking about a specific section of the page. So I want to show you how to do that now. Before we get into that, my name is Susie Hines. My channel is Elevating Expertise. That's my business name. So if you find this video useful, you can hit like and subscribe and comment. Like I'm creating this video in direct response to somebody's comment. So if there's something that you're looking for, just let me know and we can figure it out together. Okay, so I'm going to make me small and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I was using this one Amy Porterfield page and created a series of videos showing you how to recreate the page. And then now, because this was 8 months ago that I did this, when I go to the same page, I'm going to the same URL and the page looks different. So, but there are some things that are the same. And so we already did all this, or like a version of it. It looks kind of different now than it did a few months ago. But this slider thing down at the bottom with these testimonials is what somebody was asking about. And it's Shanna Grant was asking about how to add the slider at the bottom. So Shanna, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This one's for you. Okay. So this, I believe, is called an image slider. And the way that we're going to add this to Kajabi is using a widget. So, and I've never done this before. So this is all new to me. I'm going to close these. And so this is the page that we created in the previous videos. We already created all these sections and we mobile optimized. And then what we're going to do is, well, I already added a section, and I here on the left-hand side panel, you can see I named it widget image slider, but there's nothing in it right now. It's just blank. So we're going to go to add content, and up here, these custom widgets, this is a new-ish feature, and your limit, well, I'll just show you. We're going to click learn more, and we have all these different widget options. And you'll see here, I have 0 of 1 widgets used. You can get one widget for free. And then if you want more, you'll have to upgrade. But since I've never done this, let's just start with one. And it is called an image slider. So when I hover here, or if I click on that, it should give me a little preview of what it's going to look like. So I think this is what we want, is just that like slow scroll across the bottom. And so right now, the main title, image slider widget, and it comes with these 4 just like placeholder images. So I'm going to upload some. I already created some just in Canva. I created these like they look like Facebook screenshots, or from any sort of, like if somebody's commenting inside of your course, or if someone DMs you, like anytime somebody's giving you positive feedback and you can get a screenshot of that, you want to use that, or like take a screenshot of that and just keep it handy, like in Canva or in your Google Drive. Just keep a file of those so that you can use them for something like this. Okay, so I uploaded those 4. And then you have to, looks like, click on. Okay, I'm going to click each one of them. So now that it's outlined in blue, I'm going to say use media. Cool. And then I'm going to delete these because those aren't mine. I just want to keep those 4 that I uploaded. And right now it's going too fast. So I want to change my settings here. I'm guessing if I go into settings, we can slow it down. So okay, that's a little bit too slow. Maybe like that. We want it like pretty slow. Obviously, it depends how much text you actually have on these. But I will, yeah, that looks fine. Save changes. Okay, and then I want to make this the full width of the page. And I see that there's like a gradient on the sides, which I'm sure I could fix that in here. If I go back to edit widget, it also says image slider widget. So we're going to change this to kind words. And I'm going to go, let's see, look and feel. Oh, we have some font types. So I'm going to change this. I forget what I used on this page. Probably Playfair Display. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Well, that's fine. Railway. Let's do Railway. I like that one better. Gradient width. The width of the gradient on either side. So if you wanted to get rid of that, okay, yeah. So that gradient disappeared. Yeah, I mean, like I said, so that's advanced. This is custom. I've never done this. This is like you're watching me learn something totally new. So I would just play around with this. This is actually going to be really fun, I think. So yeah, it looks like you can change all this stuff, and then we will save changes. Okay, so that was pretty easy. I'm going to get rid of that gray. I don't like that. Okay, cool. So now we're going to save, and we can preview just to make sure it looks good. Scroll down. Yeah, I might speed up the scroll a little bit, and probably make these bigger, but these are also really long testimonials. You likely won't have your screenshots be that long anyway. And so my other questions, I want to know, number one, what does this look like on mobile? And also number two, because I'm limited in my plan to only one widget, does that mean exactly one on one page, or does it mean that I can use the same image slider widget on other pages? Okay. Also, I'm noticing those changes, like I changed the name of it and I took away the gradient, but okay. It says kind words here. Okay, so I backed out and then I clicked preview here, and the page looks right. It's got that green and it says kind words. So I don't know. That seems like a little bit of a glitch, but I think that it will be working on the live page, so I'm okay with it. So the other thing I wanted to know is, how is this going to look on mobile? So here up at the top where you see these four little icons, to the far left is desktop. And then if you go to the right, that's mobile. It's a phone. So, okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good, actually. I would just watch and make sure that the text isn't wider than the width of the phone so that they can read it at the same time. I might create a mobile only version, actually, because yeah, that's like, it'd be hard to read across the entire width of this screen before it slides away. So I would recreate that section for mobile. But as far as like that scrolling function, I think it looks good there. Okay, so now my other question, can I add a widget to another page, or is it going to ask me to upgrade? Okay, so I opened up just a template page that I created. I'm going to add section. I'm going to add, you've reached the widget limit, upgrade to add more. Okay, all right, well, there's my answer. So you can use it on one page, but you could probably delete it from that one page. We're going to get real tricky here and see if if it's now going to allow me to do it on my new template page. Okay, so let's find the Amy page. And I'm going to delete this section, save. I'm going to refresh this. Add section. Okay, yeah, so it recognized that I'm not using that widget on the Amy page anymore, so I could add it to this page if I wanted to. But there are also like tons of other, this is going to be really fun. There is a lot of fun stuff in here. So I might end up just paying more money so that I can use more of these fun features. Okay, I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any other questions, like design stuff, if you have any other design questions or Kajabi questions, let me know and I'll make a video about it. Thanks.